Okay, students, now I'm going to tell you the third step, most important step, that how you have to join classes, how you have to enter into the classes through Scholaro app. Those who are not able to click on the timetable slot, uh, they can do it from the Google Chrome. You just have to, what you have to do, you have to go to the Google Chrome like this. We have to click, and then you have to type apps.scholaro.com. All right, then you have to enter it. This Scholaro page will come up on the screen. Now you have to put your user ID, student's ID. Okay, as I have put this ID, this is the ID of one of the student. Now I'm putting the password. Yes, now sign in. So here is your student account has come up. All right, your student account has come up here with your timetable. Now what do you have to do? As day wise we will see, today's 8th of July, and these were the classes. Now it is already time slot has been, the time is not there to join these classes. Now what I am going to do, suppose for tomorrow 9th July, okay, you can see I have shift the date from there. This is this one, 9th July, Thursday. Now I want to tell you can only enter into the classes which are scheduled. If your subject teacher, your class teacher has scheduled your class, then you will be able to do that. How? Let me show you. I just want to tell you I have scheduled this class Thursday 9 July 9 am English 2 class 5. Okay, so tomorrow on 9 July, to join this class, what you have to do, you have to log in your Scholaro account through Google Chrome, and then you have to put your ID and password, and this page will come up. You have to come to the timetable, and what you have to do, this way you can see I am just putting it on zoom. There is one icon, you can see this icon. Let me show you. You can see this icon. This is the icon to join classes, to join virtual class. What will happen, this class is scheduled for tomorrow 9 July, all right, but I'm just going to show you how you have to join it. So this you have to click. When you will click on this, what it is showing, the class is yet to begin. That means that when the class will start, it will start tomorrow at 9 am. So at correct 9 am, when you will click on this icon, this one, so you will be able to join the classes. A screen will come up over there, that will show you join now. You have to click on that, and you will easily get your class, and you will enter into that class. So this was the main thing. You can anytime see your timetable like this. If you want to see the timetable of weekly timetable, you can see. All right, and one more thing, you have to shift your timetable like this. If your classes will be at 5, see this, your maths class will be there 5 p.m. to 5:35 p.m. So this is the whole timetable. You have to scroll up and down to check it. Okay, easily you can go this, and whatever and whichever the class will be scheduled, you will be able to enter that class, that particular class only. If class is not scheduled, like if I am clicking on this, what it is showing, please schedule the virtual class first for this slot. That means the class has not been scheduled yet. And what I showed you in my class English, because I have already scheduled class for tomorrow, so when you are going to click 9th July 9 am 5C English 2, okay, what will happen if you will click this right here? What it is showing now? It is showing the class is yet to begin because this is a scheduled class. Alright, hope you got this, and tomorrow on 9 July at 9 am, before 2-3 minutes, when you will log in this account, and you will at sharp 9 am when you will click on this, you will be able to join your class. Alright, so try this. Good luck.